The Intel Core i9 14900K is an absolute powerhouse. But let's be honest, it runs hotter than the sun. If you don't want thermal throttling to kill your performance, you need serious cooling. Welcome to Airy Tech. Today we're taming the beast with the top 4 coolers on the market, from premium AIOs to the king of air cooling. Let's dive in. First up, our pick for the best overall cooler, the Corsair H150i Elite LCD XT. This is the sweet spot for most high-end builds. It features a massive 360mm radiator paired with Corsair's AF-RGB Elite fans, which use air guide technology to concentrate airflow. But the star here is that customizable 2.1-inch IPS LCD screen on the pump head. It monitors your temps in real time or displays your favorite GIFs. The cooling performance is fantastic, easily handling the 14,900K's heat spikes. The IQ software ecosystem is industry-leading for customization. It is pricey, and the cable management can be a nightmare with the Commander Core hub. Why buy it? If you want a balance of elite cooling performance, stunning aesthetics, and real-time temp monitoring, this is the one to beat. Next, if you have the space and want the absolute best premium experience, we have the ASUS ProArt LC420. And yes, that number means a massive 420mm radiator. This isn't about flashing lights, it's about raw power. It comes equipped with 3 Noctua NF-A14 industrial-grade fans. The extra surface area of the 420mm radiator allows for incredible heat dissipation while keeping noise levels surprisingly low. It offers arguably the best thermal headroom on this list and operates very quietly thanks to those Noctua fans. The minimalist design is pure class. Size. You need a massive case to fit a 420mm radiator. Also, there is zero RGB, which might be a downside for some. Why buy it? This is for the workstation builder or the enthusiast who prioritizes silence and raw cooling power over flashy lights. Moving on to the best mid-range option. You don't always have to spend a fortune to cool the i9. Enter the Cooler Master MasterLiquid 360 Atmos. Cooler Master refined their dual-chamber pump design for better water pressure. It comes with a 360mm radiator and fully customizable ARGB Gen 2 lighting. Plus, the pump top is replaceable if you want to 3D print your own design. It offers an excellent price-to-performance ratio. It handles the 14,900K competently during gaming, and the build quality feels eco-friendly and modern. Under extreme synthetic loads, the fans can get a bit loud compared to the ProArt or Corsair. The installation clips can also be a bit fiddly. Why buy it? It's the perfect choice if you spent most of your budget on the CPU and GPU, but still need a reliable 360mm AIO that looks great. Finally, for the purists, the best air cooler for the i9 14900K is the long-awaited Noctua NHD15G2. The legendary king has returned. The G2 improves on the classic D15 with 8 heat pipes instead of 6 and new highly optimized fans. It is specifically designed to maximize contact with the CPU heat spreader to pull heat away instantly. Zero risk of pump failure or leaks. It rivals many 360mm AIOs in performance and will literally last forever. The bad. It is enormous. You must check your RAM clearance in case width. Also, it's very expensive for an air cooler. Why buy it? If you want set-and-forget reliability for the next 10 years without worrying about water inside your PC, this is the only air cooler I trust with an i9. So, whether you go for the massive ASUS ProArt, the balanced Corsair, the value-packed Atmos, or the reliable Noctua G2, your i9 14900K will be safe with any of these picks. I've left links to all these coolers in the description below. If this video saved your CPU from overheating, please smash that like button and subscribe to Airy Tech for more hardware goodness.